How to set custom alarm sound on iPhone. Start by opening the GarageBand application on your phone. You will then be taken to the audio recorder page over here. As you can see, you have to use the microphone to record your voice or any sound. Tap anywhere on the screen. Now, go to the top panel again and tap on the icon as shown. After that, go to the top right corner and tap on the loop icon. Then, go to the Files section. Here, touch and hold the file to drag it to track view. In the Tracks View page, you can manage and edit the track length as you like. After that, go to the top left corner and tap on the arrow. Then, go to My Songs. Wait for it to upload to your GarageBand folder. After it uploads, go back and open the Clock app. The Clock app includes features like alarms, a world clock, a stopwatch, and a timer. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Alarms. Over here, users can set multiple alarms. Tap on any of your set alarms. Then, go to Sound. You can view and explore all the different alarm sounds available on iPhone. As you can see, you will also find song you just created over here. Select the song to set it as your alarm sound. After that, tap on Save at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily set custom alarm sound on iPhone.